The 2006 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mile per gallon rating, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, front air conditioning, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, power windows, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.